Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I talk about Xiaomi Redmi G34WQ monitor. So friends, the initial release, Xiaomi introduced a Redmi G34WQ monitor and available for purchase. It features a 34-inch screen with a resolution of 3440 by 1440 $199 USD and key specification include a screen resolution and size of 3440 by 1440 resolution, and it offers a 21:9 aspect ratio providing 30% wider field of 16:9 screen, and the monitor features a high refresh rate of 180 Hz, screen present a curvature of 1500 R. It covers 95% of the DCI P3 color gamut, has a color accuracy with a delta E value of less than 2. The monitor has a 1 millisecond response time. It supports FreeSync technology to reduce screen tearing during gaming, and the display's brightness is rated at 350 nit and include a feature to filter short wave blue light and support DC dimming to reduce eye strain. And friend, it includes 2DP 1.4 port, 2 HDMI 2.0 port, an audio interface, and also features RGB ambient lighting for enhanced aesthetics. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.